TV.
But I'm going to really be brief today. I want to ask you a question, and that is, what is in your life's blueprint?
I give my best at everything I do. Hopes and dreams trying to make it through. Wise man once told me I'm a future college graduate, so hey, to the cover.
Hopes and dreams, yeah, we giving hands. You're my sister, I'm your brother, let's study and just make it last. We got math and other subjects, we gotta face it. Now your parents really proud and happy that you graduated.
Everything we try to do, we want to be successful and make our dreams come true. We respect you, Edward Harris Junior Middle School. Hail to the chorus. We're reading all means growth and winner of our faith. We love a challenge, for we know it's opportunity. Our loyalty will never ever cease. Hail to Edward Harris Junior Middle School.
I am an Edward Harris Junior Middle School student. I have a proud legacy to live up to, so I strive to be hardworking. I give my best effort toward my daily academic and personal goals. Accepting. I accept my peers for who they are and appreciate their differences. Responsible. I choose to do the right thing even when it is a difficult thing to do. I am a responsible member of a community. Respectful. I treat others with kindness, compassion, and courtesy and leave each place I visit in better condition than I found it. Innovative. I use my mind to think critically and creatively, to generate ideas, to solve problems, and to create. Scholarly. I value my education and strive to learn something new daily. As I walk in the path of knowledge at Edward Harris Junior Middle School, I know that challenging opportunities lead towards success.
Hi, it's me, Miss Mitzel, the librarian, and I'm going to talk to you today about Read-A-Thon, and I have my helper here.
Hello, I'm Alina. I'm part of the library club here at Edward Harris.
All right, so we have the Read-A-Thon coming up at the end of this month, February 23rd through March 6th, and hopefully you've seen this flyer up in different classrooms by now. I also emailed it to you coming up. Nope, you're going to have to edit that part out. But I also emailed it to you.
So what exactly is Read-A-Thon?
Okay, for Read-A-Thon, it is simply rewarding you for reading. So you read, you log it on Beanstack, which you guys are already doing, and then you get rewards both from the library and from Read-A-Thon.
Please. You get 15% back. Oh wait, I missed.
It's okay.
You get 15% back. Student keeps 15% of donations they raise to spend on online goodies on the Read-A-Thon reward store. You can get so many fun prizes. You can get stuffed animals. You could get a tablet. You can get games. There's just so many cool things you could win just for reading.
Perfect. And you can get prizes throughout the Read-A-Thon too. And then because we want you to read, so we're rewarding you during the reading and then after as well. You would get rewards based on what Alina said if you raise donations. So just like the elementary fun run, you're trying to get people to sponsor you to read.
Yes, please.
You guys, don't wait. Go ahead and open the website. Feel me? Feel me?
Absolutely. Click on the link to register. Bye, you guys. Happy reading.
That you and her going